Hello students, for the fifth semester, in case of genetics and plant breeding, the course offered is, that is the course number GPB 355. Course title will be Crop Improvement First in bracket Kharif crops, and this course allotted 2 credits, 1 credit for theory and 1 credit for practical one. So regarding to that particular course, we have to done the crop improvement in case of Kharif crops by application of the different breeding principles and different breeding methods. So when we have to observe the syllabus in case of that course one, majorly that is the different breeding methods we have to already studied in case of third semesters. These can be repeated in also fifth semester one, and another different concepts which are related with the breeding which are included in that particular syllabus one. So in case of that different topics, one by one we can cover that different topics one. Today we can study the first topic in case of that particular course, that is the GPB 355, that is the crop improvement first in bracket Kharif crops one. So in case of the first lecture, that is the we can study centers of origin, distribution of species, wild species in case of different crops one. So first lecture, that is the centers of origin of crops, whether in case of cereals, pulses, oilseeds, vegetable and fruit crops, how this species will be distributed in case of world, and which are the wild species or wild relatives in case of that respective crop. Suppose 5 cereal crops we can study. First one exam, that is the crop is the rice. Already we can know the Oryza sativa is the cultivated species. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 24 or 2n is equal to 48. Center of origin of crop is, that is the Southeast Asia, and this species will be distributed in case of China, India, Japan, Korea, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Two wild relatives or species will be Oryza nivera and Oryza officinalis. Second one crop is the maize, GI maize, chromosome number 2n is equal to 20. Origin will be Central America. USA, China, Russia, Canada and many South Asian countries, that is the distributed of that species. Gia mexicana and Gia perennis, these are the two wild relatives one. Third one, that is the sorghum bicolor, that is the sorghum crop, 2n is equal to 20. Southeast Africa, that is the Ethiopia, is the origin of that sorghum crop. Distribution of that species in Africa, South and Central India, China, Argentina, Australia, South and Central plains of the United States. Sorghum helpens and Sorghum drumendi, these are the two wild species one. Another one crop, that is the cereal, that is the pearl millet bajra, Penicillium americanicum. West Africa is the center of origin. The distribution will be Africa, India, Pakistan, Southeast Asia, USA and Europe. Penicillium squaletum and Penicillium purpuricum. These are the two wild species in case of bajra. And last one, cereal crop, finger millet, Illucine corcana. Then origin will be, that is the majorly Africa or in case of India one. India, Africa, Pakistan distribution, and Illucine indica and Illucine oligostacha. These are the two wild species one. So in this particular lecture, we have to know different cereal crops, their centers of origin, distribution of species, and their wild species one. These 5 cereal crops we have to study their centers of origin, distribution of species, and wild relations. So majorly this lecture is known for the objective type. 4 marks question will be always asked in case of the write of the centers of origin, distribution, wild relatives of different crops, whether these crops are cereals, pulses, oilseeds, vegetables, or fruit crops one. Next one, we can study the pulses crops one. Suppose tur, red gram, Cajanus cajan, chromosome 2n is equal to 22. Center of origin is the Africa and India. Distribution will be India, Uganda, Kenya, West Indies, Burma. Then Cajanus carabets and Cajanus ceridius. These are the two wild species one. Soybean, Glycine max, 2n is equal to 40. Center of origin is China. Distribution will be USA, Brazil, China, Argentina and India. Glycine sojo is the wild species one. Then green gram, Vigna radiata. Origin will be India. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Philippines, Taiwan, Thailand, Nepal, and Southern Asian countries. Vigna radiata, variety sublobata. This is the wild species. Then black gram, Vigna mungo, origin India, distribution India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and South Asian countries. Vigna mungo, variety sylvestris. And cowpea, that is the Vigna ungulata, Africa is the origin. Niger, Burkina Faso, Ghana, Kenya, Uganda, Malawi, Tanzania, and Asian countries like India, Sri Lanka, Burma, Bangladesh, Philippines, Indonesia, and Thailand. Vigna ungulata variety spontanea. These are the wild species in case of cowpea one. So likewise cereals, these are the pulses crop. So we should know the which is the center of origin, distribution, and wild species in case of that pulse crop one. Next one crop, that is the criteria, that is oilseed crops. That is the groundnut one, Arachis hypogaea, origin Brazil. Then distribution India, China, USA, Africa, South and Southeast Asia. Wild species will be Arachis apraesifolia and Arachis geobegeria, pintui. Sesamum crop 2n is equal to 26, for groundnut chromosome number 2n is equal to 40. Sesamum indicum, origin will be India and Ethiopia. India, Pakistan, Africa, China, Mexico, Iran, Iraq. Then wild species will be Sesamum elatum, Sesamum malabaricum. Sunflower, Helianthus anus, North America is the center of origin. Then Russia, Romania, Canada, USA. And this crop is introduced in India from Russia 1969. Helianthus hirsutus, Helianthus rigidus. And last one, oilseed crop, that is the castor, Ricinus communis. Ethiopia is the origin. African countries, Egypt, China, India. Then majorly in case of India, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. Wild species are Ricinus communis, subspecies Periceus. Also subspecies Chinensis one. So in case of the dead oilseed crops, 4 important oilseed crops, their origin and wild species and distribution. In case of suppose fodder crops also, we can observe the Bersim, Trifolium alexandrinum. Origin will be Syria. Distribution Egypt, India, Pakistan, South Africa, USA and Australia. The Trifolium epitum, Trifolium respetatum and vesiculatum. Vesiculation. These are the important wild species. Also important fodder Lucerne, Medicago sativa. Mediterranean region, majorly Spain, China, Sweden, North Africa, Italy, Switzerland, North America. Important wild species are Medicago falcata, Medicago borealis, Medicago romanica. Then Vigna umbrella, rice bean, that is the important fodder crops. Origin Indochina, Thailand, India, Central China, Egypt, some eastern parts, coast of Africa, Fiji, Australia, tropical Africa, USA, Brazil, Mexico. Vigna angularis, that is the important wild species. In case of cash crops, suppose cotton and tobacco. Cotton gossypium species, two wild species, two desi cotton species and two new wild cotton species. Origin will be Central America, China, USA, India, Pakistan, Egypt. In India, majorly Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu states are important growing states in case of cotton. Gossypium tomentosum and Gossypium remendi. These are the two important wild species in case of cotton. Then tobacco, Nicotiana tabacum, Central America is the origin. China, Brazil, India, USA, Indonesia, Pakistan, these are the distribution. Nicotiana atulata, Nicotiana obtusifolia, and Nicotiana excelsior, these are the important wild species one. In case of vegetable crops, rich gourd, Lupae contigula, India is the origin. Some distribution West Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, Madagascar, Lupa opericulata. This is the wild species one. In case of bottle gourd, Africa is the origin. Africa, Asia, America one. Wild species are not knowing one. Then snake gourd or snake gourd one. Trichocanthisis cucurmenia, variety Anginia. Southeast Asia is the origin. India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Malaysia, Myanmar, and China. These are the distribution one. Then wild species as Trichosanthes cucurmenia, variety cucurmenia. Bitter gourd, the origin will be tropical Africa, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, China, and Africa. And important wild species is the Momardica muricata. So these are the important vegetable crops. And last one criteria in this particular lecture is the different food crops. We can consider that is the horticulture crops, mango, Mangifera indica, Himalayan regions in case of Burma, China and Malayan Penelilla. Then in case of distribution, majorly distribution in India, Indo-China, warm parts of Australia, Philippines, Pacific Islands and Himalayas. Mangifera macrocarpa, Mangifera foetida and Mangifera cassia. These are the important wild species. Guava is the another important fruit crop. Pisidium guava, 2n is equal to 22. Tropical America or West Indies is the origin. Distribution will be America, Canada, Australia, India, Burma, Indonesia, Bangladesh. Then three important wild species will be Pisidium guineas, Pisidium chirensis, Pisidium catalarinum. Then cashew nut, Anacardium occidental. Brazil is the origin. Vietnam, Nigeria, India, Brazil, and Indonesia. Anacardium excellensum is the important wild species. Another one fruit crop citrus. Southeast Asia is the origin. Taiwan, Japan, Australia, and New Guinea. Citrus indica is the wild species. And last one crop pomegranate Neagrantum. Iran is the origin. Asia, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, India, China, North Africa, and Mediterranean Europe. Wild species is the Pycnium protopunica. So in this particular lecture, we can always know that is the objective questions, that is the 4-mark objective, which is asked write down the centers of origin, distribution of species or wild species in case of the following crops, whether these crops are coming under the cereals, pulses, oilseeds, vegetable and fruit crops. So this is the first lecture in case of the course GPB 355, that is the crop improvement first in bracket kharif crops. Okay, thank you.